Hello, this is Julie from cuttercrafter.com. I was asked today, how do I make layers and make the cut? So I decided just to start with this design that I found in the gallery for Make the Cut. I did a search for leaves, and there are quite a few leaf designs show up, but I found this one. So I clicked on download and I got this set of leaves, and I thought it would be a good design to show you how we do create layers using Make the Cut. So first I click on it to select it, then I'm going to go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen and select Duplicate, Nested Duplicate. In the window that opens, I can determine how many duplicates do I want. You can set this as low or as high as you want. I just decided I'd get 3 duplicates, which would give me a total of 4. And I set the gap at 0.05. Now you can play with this to see what you get. If I can have a duplicate by scaling, that's changing the size, or by making shadows. So I chose by shadowing and rounded. Then I selected a couple colors. Since I'm doing leaves, I selected green. Then I click on preview to see what I get. And what I have here is 4 different layers, all in shades of green. So if I like that, I click on accept, and I end up with these different layers. Here's the top layer. Here's one with a little thicker leaves behind it. Still a little thicker, and the thickest. If I go too many layers, eventually this background would turn black. So I'm going to select them all, Control A, type S to stack them, and you can see how they're going to look when they're cut out. Now you can play around with the settings and get all kinds of interesting things, but this is a quick way to create the layered look, and it can be done with solid images. It can be done with tiles like this one is, frets, background designs, and you can have a lot of fun with creating your layers. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.